Morning people, it's day 3 trying to join a wild duck family, feed the fish and we're off. See who's here this morning. Few males, few females, nomad colours, 2 baby swans. Absolutely gorgeous morning, sun's just coming up. As always, big handful of sunflower seeds to get them started. Double up. Jump down on bank to make sure that all the ducks are getting some feed. Then mummy swan turns up. Shortly followed by the dad swan and another baby. So the count up for today is about 15 ducks, 3 baby swans, and then the mum and dad.